Yo, what is up everyone? Welcome back to the channel, and today I'm gonna show you how to use the TradingView mobile app for iOS and Android devices. Alright, it's gonna be a quick video. We're not gonna waste too much time on this one at all. Just gonna give you guys a quick step-by-step guide on how to get this done. So let's jump straight into it. Now the first step is going to be to download and install the mobile app. So you can go ahead and download the TradingView mobile app from the App Store or from the Google Play Store and install that onto your mobile device. Step 2 is going to be to log into your TradingView account. So now that you have the app, go ahead and log into your TradingView account on the app. Step 3 is going to be to access TradingView features on the go. So now that you have the app, you can go ahead and access TradingView's features on the go, including charts, alerts, and news. The fourth and final step will be to use the mobile app to stay connected to the market. So it's a lot more convenient now that you have it on your mobile device. A lot more convenient than having using your desktop computer. So you can take your phone everywhere and basically stay on the go on TradingView. So yeah, that's pretty much it on how to use the TradingView mobile app for iOS and Android. I hope you guys liked the video. Hope you found the information useful enough. If you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought. Share the video with your friends and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already, and I'll see you guys in the next one.